Welcome to the Studio X English podcast. I am Lena. I am really happy you are here today.
And I am Eric. It feels great to be here with you. This podcast is for real English, simple English, everyday English.
Before we begin, please support our work. Like this video if you enjoy learning English. Subscribe to the channel for more practice. Your support really matters to us.
Yes, when you like and subscribe, it helps a lot. It helps us keep making these lessons. Thank you for being part of this journey.
Today, we are talking about travel and transport. This is a very useful topic. You hear it every day. You use it in real life.
Yes, people talk about travel all the time. They talk about buses, they talk about cars, they talk about trains.
You may talk about going to work. You may talk about going to school. You may talk about visiting family or friends. These conversations happen everywhere.
At the office, at school, on the phone, even with strangers.
Many learners feel nervous speaking English. They worry about mistakes. They think about grammar too much. They translate in their heads.
Yes, that can feel stressful. That can slow you down.
But when you talk about travel, it feels easier. You already know the ideas. You already know the situations. You just need simple English words.
Exactly. You know your own life. You know how you move around.
In this podcast, we keep things simple. We use short sentences. We speak slowly and clearly. You can listen and repeat.
No pressure, no difficult rules, just natural conversation.
We will talk like real people talk. We will share small examples. You can copy these patterns.
And little by little, your confidence grows. Talking about travel is a great place to start.
Let's start with a simple question. How do you usually go out every day? Do you walk? Do you use transport?
That is a very real question. Everyone moves somehow. No one stays in one place all day.
For example, I go to the studio in the morning. Sometimes I walk, sometimes I take a car.
I usually use public transport. It feels normal for me. I see many people every day.
Public transport is very common. Buses, trains, subways.
Yes, in many cities, people depend on it. It is cheap, it is easy.
Learners often ask one question. How do I say this in English?
That question comes up a lot, especially with transport.
You can say simple sentences. I take the bus. I take the train. I go by car.
Those sentences are perfect, short, clear, natural.
You do not need long explanations. You do not need fancy words. Simple is better.
Native speakers use simple sentences too. That is important to remember.
Let's imagine a small situation. Someone asks you a question. How do you get to work?
You can answer calmly, I take the bus every day, or I drive to work.
You can also add time. I take the bus in the morning. I walk in the evening.
Time words help a lot. They make your sentence clear.
Some learners worry about mistakes. They stop speaking.
That is very common, but stopping is worse than mistakes.
If you say one clear sentence, that is enough. People understand you.
Communication is the goal, not perfection.
Transport is part of daily life. You use it again and again. That makes it great practice.
Yes, every trip is a chance to practice English, and that naturally leads us to talking about daily routines and movement.
Let's talk about longer trips now. Not just daily travel, but travel to another place.
Yes, trips feel different from routines. People get excited.
Think about visiting family or going on a short holiday.
Those moments come up often in conversation.
Someone might ask you a simple question. How did you travel there?
That question is very common and easy to answer.
You can say, I went by train. I flew by plane.
Those answers are clear, no extra explanation needed.
You can also talk about comfort. The train was comfortable. The bus was crowded.
Those words help describe the experience.
Sometimes travel is slow. Sometimes it is fast.
Speed matters to many people.
You can say, the trip took 2 hours. The flight was short.
Time words make the story easy to follow.
Let's imagine a small story. You visit another city.
You arrive tired, but also happy.
You might say, I took the train in the morning. I arrived in the afternoon.
That sounds very natural.
You do not need perfect grammar. The idea is more important.
People listen to meaning first.
Another useful thing is feeling. Was the trip relaxing? Was it stressful?
Feelings make the story human.
You can say, the airport was busy. The road was quiet.
Simple words paint a picture.
Many learners stay silent because they fear mistakes.
But silence does not help learning.
Talking about travel gives you confidence because everyone understands it.
Yes, travel stories naturally lead into talking about daily movement and habits.
Now, let's stay closer to everyday life. Not big trips, just regular movement.
Yes, the kind of travel people do every day.
Going to work, going to school, running small errands.
These things happen without thinking.
That is why they are perfect for practice. You already know the story.
You only need the English words.
Someone may ask you, how do you get to work?
A very common question.
You can answer simply, I take the bus. I drive.
Short answers are completely fine.
You can also add one small detail. It takes 30 minutes.
That already sounds natural.
Some people walk, some people ride a bicycle.
Those are great options.
You can say, I walk because it is close.
That explains your reason.
Reasons help conversations continue.
Yes, they invite more questions.
Another useful word is commute. It means your daily trip.
Many people use that word at work.
You can say, my commute is long, my commute is easy.
Very practical sentences.
Sometimes travel is stressful. Traffic, crowded buses.
We all know that feeling.
You can express it simply. The bus is crowded.
No need for complex language.
Other days feel calm. Quiet roads, empty trains.
Those days feel good.
You can share small opinions. I prefer the train.
Opinions make your English sound real.
Talking about daily transport builds confidence because you repeat it often.
And repetition slowly turns words into habits.
Sometimes travel is not about distance. It is about choice, how you decide to move.
Yes, and that choice often depends on time and energy.
On busy days, people choose what is fastest, not what is nicest.
That is very true. Speed matters when life feels rushed.
For example, when I am late, I do not think much. I just go.
Same for me. Late mornings change everything.
I skip walking. I skip enjoying the view.
You focus only on arriving.
Exactly. But on calm days, it feels different.
Calm days invite better choices.
I might walk instead, even if it takes longer.
Walking changes your mood.
It does. You notice people, you notice sounds.
You feel part of the place.
Public transport can feel like that too. if you're not stressed.
Yes, when the bus is not crowded.
You can sit, you can breathe.
You can observe life quietly.
Some people prefer driving. They like control.
Control feels safe to many people.
But traffic can change that feeling fast.
Traffic tests patience.
When I sit in traffic, I feel stuck.
That feeling is very common.
So, transport is not only physical, it's emotional too.
That's a great point.
The same trip can feel good or bad. It depends on the situation.
And on your mindset.
Some days, even waiting feels okay.
Other days, waiting feels impossible.
That's why learning these words matters. They describe real life.
Yes, because everyone moves every day.
We talked about many situations today. Small trips, long trips, busy days, calm days.
Yes, and all of them happen in real life.
Now, it helps to slow down and look at the words we used.
Words make your ideas clearer.
Let's start with a simple one: commute.
Commute means your daily trip, usually to work or school.
For example, my commute is short.
Or, my commute takes 40 minutes.
Another useful word is traffic.
Traffic means many cars on the road, moving slowly.
Heavy traffic can feel stressful.
Light traffic feels easy.
Next word is public transport.
That includes buses, trains, subways.
You share the ride with others.
And many people use it every day.
Another common word is delay.
Delay means something is late.
My train has a delay.
That sentence is very useful.
Now a softer word: on foot.
On foot means walking.
I go to the store on foot.
Simple and clear.
One more important word is route.
Route means the path you take.
The bus has a long route.
Knowing the route helps you feel calm.
These words help you talk naturally about real movement.
About your real day.
You do not need big grammar, just clear words.
That is how confidence grows.
Before we finish, we want to hear from you.
Yes, here is a simple question.
How do you usually travel in your day?
You can answer in one sentence, very simple English.
If this practice helped you, please support the channel.
Like the video. Subscribe for more calm English conversations.